Welcome back to Kodemine. Carry here. So the next topic is very simple and very quick. So for example, we are doing anything into Google Sheet. We are typing something, and we need to check the spelling mistakes. How can we do that? Very simple. Let's do that. For example, I was doing something here, and something like this I have done. I need to check the spelling. Is there any spelling mistake or not? I will go into the tools, then spellings, then spell check. So it will search that is there any spelling mistake or not. Right now there is a no mistake, so we will try to make a mistake. I will go, and I did a one mistake here. So let's go into the tools, spellings, then spell check. So it will check that and it will detect that okay, here is a spelling mistake. So we have a three option. One is we can change it with this way, and we can ignore it, or we can add into the dictionary, right? So I select change. So you guys can see now my word has been corrected. So the next option is, for example, some word which are not present into the dictionary. How can you add that? Very simple. Just you need to click on the tools. Let's do it again. Tools, spellings, then personal dictionary. Click on the personal dictionary. Then that word which are not here, you can add here. For example, Kodemine, right? And another thing is carry, add, and click on OK. So the next time it will not detect it as an error. So guys, in this topic we have discussed about how to check the spelling mistake, and another thing is how we can add a word into the dictionary. So hope you guys enjoy this topic. If you guys have any query, question, just mention into the comment box, and please do subscribe our channel and share with your friends as well. Thanks for watching. Have a very good day.